guys, welcome back to Recrafty. This is me Shahina and this is your Shahrukh. In this video, we're gonna see how to make 3 different types of cake and all 3 are mini. If you're new to this channel, then click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon near to the subscribe button and click all to never miss the current updated videos. Today, I'm gonna make a vanilla sponge cake and for it, we will need 3 eggs. Along with the eggs, we will need 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Let's add the powdered sugar and whisk it. I'm using a normal hand whisk. And by now, I'm gonna include 3/4 cup of butter. Even you can melt the butter and you can add. And I'm using unsalted butter. Along with the unsalted butter, I'm going to use a pinch of salt. If you're using salted butter, then you just ignore the salt. By next, I'm having 1 cup of maida. Add it gradually in 2 parts and whisk it in each of the time. And then comes a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and before you mix, another last ingredient which is vanilla essence, that is half a teaspoon. After adding the vanilla essence, whisk it and our batter will be ready. And do remember, there should be no lumps. And our cake batter is here with no lumps and which contains a ribbon consistency and a creamier consistency. Let's keep this aside and let's take a container. It's up to you that you prefer a container. And then let's place a baking paper inside it. Top of the baking paper, I'm gonna apply butter, pour the batter and microwave it. I'm going to microwave for up to 2 minutes. It's according to the microwave that you contain. And then the cake will be ready. Guys, my cake is ready. And I am cutting out the irregular parts of my cake. If you feel that your cake is irregular at the sides, the edges, the front, the back, then cut it out to make your cake perfect. Since this part is irregular, I'm going to take this off, and from this cake, I'm going to split this into half and going to make this 2. Here are my 2 cakes, where with these 2 cakes, I'm going to make 3 different types of cake. 3 different types of cake. Yes. The first one is 3-layer cake. Second one is round shaped cake. And the third one is a pastry. So for making the 3-layer cake, I have taken a cup which is the first layer and which is so big for mini. Trace it to form the first layer and here I got it. And a little more smaller than this shape is going to be traced out with this bottle's cap. So this is going to be my second layer. And my third layer is going to be very small, which is a lotion's cap. And before you use any cap, just make sure that it is clean and it is washed. And then my 3-layer cake is ready. And with this cake, I'm going to make the round shaped cake. For that, I have taken the same cup where my round cake comes, so it is circular, and here on the other side I'm gonna make the pastry. So let it be aside and we'll first form our round shaped cake. Like the same circles, we will need other 2 circles where it comes 3 circles. And for the decorations, I have whipped cream and where half a teaspoon of sugar plus water to be formed, we get sugar syrup. Let it dissolve completely and our sugar syrup and whipped cream will be ready. And guys, time to decorate your cakes with your own creativity, designs and your own choices. So with help of whipped cream, sugar syrup, sprinkles and with help of piping bag, and these are my 3 cakes where my creativity, my designs and my choices are involved. Definitely your tummy fills by eating all these cakes. Hope your tummy fills and hope you will love this video. If you like this video, then do subscribe, like, comment, share and click the bell icon to never miss the current updated videos. Tata and bye bye.